Our perfect day is ruined.
Today is the day. I have a plan, a perfect plan.
Anna, it's today.
Good morning, everyone. Are you ready? First, breakfast, then the park, then the picnic.
You have a very good plan, Anna.
Jack?
I was just checking it. The cookie.
Check, check, check. Perfect. Today will be perfect, right, Dad?
Of course, Anna.
We look amazing.
We do. Let's go, let's go, let's go.
This is going to be the best day.
I know! La la la, picnic day, la la la, hooray!
Jack, is that rain?
Rain.
Our picnic. Everything is ruined.
This is the worst thing that has ever happened.
It is not fair.
There is nothing to do.
Goodbye, perfect picnic.
I am dying of boredom.
Why?
There is nothing to do.
Nothing.
So what is the plan?
There is no plan. There is nothing.
We could go outside in the...
No.
You, Rain, you ruined my plan.
Yeah, what she said. This is the worst day ever.
Yes. The worst.
I have a secret idea, but I am not telling yet.
What idea?
Come to the table. I have an idea. This is Plan B.
What is Plan B?
Plan B is a new plan. When Plan A does not work.
Oh, like a new plan? A better plan?
Can I help?
We can build a fort.
We can have the picnic inside.
Oh, I love that idea.
We can cook something good.
We can draw and color and make things.
We can call Teacher Cindy.
When Plan A fails, smart people make Plan B.
Can we start already? Can we? Can we now?
Let's go. What is first?
The fort!
What are you writing?
It is a surprise.
Plan B begins now.
More blankets. We need more. Yes, all of them. No, move it this way. More to the left. This one is big enough.
Again. We try again. We can do this. Let's try again.
I have clips. They will hold the blankets.
It is working. It is staying up.
Clip it here. Yes, that one. It is so cozy.
It is like a real castle.
Our picnic inside.
Our special picnic.
This is my secret idea. A Cookie King flag.
Jack, it is perfect.
The fort has a flag. Official.
Our picnic Plan B style.
Ready? Let us call Teacher Cindy.
Oh my goodness, what is all this?
When plans change, adapt and enjoy.
Adapt and enjoy.
Adapt and enjoy.
Your Plan B sounds amazing. I am so proud of you.
Goodbye, Teacher Cindy. Thank you.
Bye, Teacher Cindy. Bye.
Dad, this is actually really nice.
Yes, Anna, it is.
This is our castle. You are the knight.
Yes, my queen.
I make crowns for everyone.
I accept this crown.
Thank you. I am the queen.
This is a royal feast.
It is good.
I will have everything on the menu, please.
Madam, your plate.
The finest cookies, madam. Oui, oui.
I am saving this forever.
A little surprise.
Like this?
Yes, good. Keep going.
It smells amazing. Everybody say Plan B.
Plan B.
Plan B.
Once there was a family who had a very bad plan.
Okay, so you throw the ball, and if it hits the pillow, you win.
Oh, I have it. I have it.
Not my head! Not my head!
I win. I always win my game.
That is because you made the rules. This is the best day ever.
Plans can change. Adventures stay.
Yes. The sun is back.
The sun is back. Let's go outside now.
Actually, let's stay inside.
You want to stay inside?
Plan B is really fun. I do not want to stop yet.
Yeah, me too.
The best adventures happen when plans change.
I wrote something.
Anna. That is exactly right, Anna.
I am so proud of you.
That is actually really good, Anna. I am adding something.
Jack!
It is better now. Trust me.
So tomorrow, Plan A again?
Yes, but I am ready for Plan B too.
Plan B.